Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. Don't know what that is all about, but could that be? Oh, it's pretty dry. Nothing leaking over there. So guys, did some welding. Got that in a time lapse. Just for fun of it. Ik zei de dag ook wel even. Okay guys, ja, tik-tak, dat is het. Let's go to Drachten. Oh, telefoon hè. Staat erop een gasolina. Hij had net zo goed op benzine gelijk wel op dinges kunnen starten. Want we reden de hele dag al op gas natuurlijk. Okay guys, here we go. Even een stukje met benzine. Okay, we talked about the H-pipe construction. Everything is possible. A little bit of AI involved. I was using Gemini lately. Who Grok, ChatGPT all started with. Whee. ASMR evening cruise, boys and girls. From the garage to Drachten. Thanks to all the new subscribers. When I was at the garage and I was checking my YouTube channel for a shot I wanted to show somebody, I saw I gained one. Mucho gracias. Ding is example. Let's see if she still is getting it up to temperatura. Agua. Tractora. So it's getting hot this week. Automatisch. Another oldtimer. Nice housing. The skiing, boys and girls, the skiing. Nice evening drive. She's at temperature. I'm gonna switch her over to LPG. Now she switched. Beautiful Friesland. Son is coming home any moment. I'm a little bit late. It's almost 30 minutes past 9 o'clock. This must be nice, that must be nice. We're going that. Oh, we cannot go that way. Now we must go that way. Here, another Mercedes. Slow down. Temperature rising. Oh, 95 cent. I'm gonna take a ride on a roundabout. Oh, just like here. Always take it slow in the corners, you never know what's there. Bicycles. A lot of bicycles in Nederland. But also in Beijing, probably 9 million. More than 9 million. There are 9 million bicycles in Beijing. Whee! 370 subscribers, boys and girls. Whee! I'm gonna go get a little bit more rumble. Probably a dumb thing to do, but for the originality it's a dumb thing to do. But I keep mufflers so I can always bring it back to the original state. I think. Somehow-ish. Okay, boys and girls, almost in Drachten. Cobbles, hobbles. Easy on the throttle. You can give her some throttle, but always building up easy. When on gasoline, I not want to floor it. Rechts heeft voorrang, situatie gewijzigd. Maar ik heb rechts altijd al voorrang, maar... Wee! Oh, nice and hot. I like it hot. I like it hot. Hey, take a look at this, guys. What do we got here? Ganzen. Boom, backlat. Very nice. Are you still hanging in there? Almost at the casa. See what time it is. Sorry. 7 minutes past 13 minutes past time. 7 minuten over 11:30. Nou, zijn fiets staat er niet in ieder geval. Brent is te laat. Doggy standing there. Oh. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next ride.